Ride in 2012 Sprinter. For those with a job to do, look no further. The Mercedes Sprinter is for you. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, tires, rear all-season, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.